Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn about the drag and drop in Playwright. I will show you how to automate drag and drop actions step by step using a real example. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to move elements easily using Playwright. So let's begin. Create a new test file, right click on tests folder and then click on new file and create a new file. Enter file name rec.spec.ts. Now, we have successfully created a new test file. First, import test and expect. Import test, comma, and expect from at the rate write test. Now, write a test case name is drag and drop element, comma, and then round brackets, inside round brackets, curly bracket, page, and then call back function here. Inside, we will write the test case. Save this file. First, open the target web page. Open Chrome browser, and here you can view. We can drag and drop. Refresh this page. Move this A to this element. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can perform this action. Open VS Code, await page dot, go to this URL, copy this complete URL, open VS Code and enter URL here. After navigating to this URL, we need to identify this locator. Right click here, inspect. Let's see how we can locate this element. Right click here, inspect, and here you can view for class is equal to column, id is equal to column A. This is column dash A and column dash B. So we can locate this element by IDs, and ID is a best approach because this ID will never change. Copy this ID for locating this first element. Open VS Code and enter here const source. This is source page dot locator and locate this element by ID. Enter ID here, and the second one is target. First is source and second is target. So here enter target and change ID. Here for locating this element, ID is column dash B. Open VS Code and enter here. Right. Here we just define, identify source and target elements. After identifying these elements, next thing we to do here, perform the drag and drop. Await source dot drag to target semicolon and page dot wait for timeout 2000. This is just for view because the script will execute fast. So we need to view whether this drag and drop is performing or not. Now, add some assertions here. Await, expect, target, dot, to have, text, and let's see what text should be displayed after performing this drag and drop. Refresh the page. After drag and drop, we can view here A should be displayed after this action. So we will add here await expect target to have text A. We will verify that after dragging, column B now contains text A. Now run the test. Here we are locating this element by ID, so need to enter here hash, save this file, and now we can run the test. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and locate this element by ID, and then locate second element by ID, and then perform drag and drop. Here we add assertion for verify this A text should be displayed after performing drag and drop. Now run the test, enter here command npx playwright test, enter file name is drag dot spec dot ts dash dash headed dash dash project is chromium, and then click on enter. Test will be run. Running one test using one worker, and in this scenario it will navigate to this URL and then perform drag and drop. As you can view here, drag and drop successfully. That's how you can perform drag and drop actions in Playwright with just a few lines of code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Playwright and automation tutorials. See you in the next video.